Most traders dey draw supply and demand zone, but dem no know wetin complete a zone. For any supply zone or demand zone to be valid, three things must dey. Today, we go use supply take explain am. This same rule apply to demand as well. So number one, the base. The base na where price pause small. Na here others dey build to know whether the bullish trend go continue or go change direction. Now lis ten well. The number of base candles matters. Me, I dey trade 1 to 3 base candles. For this example, we dey use 2 base candles. If base candle pass 4, if this base candle pass 4, that zone don weak. Too much base candle means market don spend time there. Others don reduce. So remember, 1 to 3 candle is equal strong zone. More than 4 candles is equal weak zones. So number 2, the move away candle. This na the candle wey show power, strong body, clear direction, and imbalance must dey. Imbalance means price move fast, leave the space, no come back immediately. E show say institution enter with force. And make I clear one thing, we no dey predict the move away candle. We dey wait for instruction. Once market show us move away with imbalance, na the footprint we dey use for the chart. If no imbalance for the move away candle, that zone no strong. Smart money no serious. Number 3, the stay away candle. Price must leave the zone clean. If the stay away candle get weak, come back to the base, or e get weak near the base like this, that zone don weak. Strong zone leave a clean space, imbalance, and strong zones leave a clean, small or no weak candle, clear space from the base. If your supply or demand zone get clean base, 1 to 3 candles, strong move away with imbalance, and a clean stay away candle, then you get a complete and tradable zone. If anyone miss, that zone fit fail. If you wan learn this step by step, check my supply and demand strategy PDF. Link dey my bio. Like and subscribe for supply and demand lesson. See you in the next one.